This might look like a normal bus, but once these guys step on board and put these headsets on, they're transported to a virtual world. Virtual reality. Which happens to look a lot like the real world, just with a lot more cows than you'd see on a usual school day.
You went up in a helicopter flying over all this land, and when you came down into the truck, you could look out, there was cows everywhere. Just cows on the cows.
These guys are experiencing what it's like to be a cattle farmer and learn just how beef is produced.
Who likes hamburgers? Who likes tacos? Where do all these things come from? Cows.
They follow the journey from paddock to plate from every angle.
Don't forget to look down, guys.
One thing, I wasn't scared, it was so cool. And I wasn't screaming. And I was screaming was really cuckoo.
The creators say it's important for kids to understand all aspects of the beef industry, including the less glamorous parts. So included in the tour was a trip to a meat processing factory.
I had to take my thing off because I couldn't do it. I was sick.
I didn't know they hung the cows down and get all the blood out of them. I just thought they just killed them, then drained them, then put them on the plate and cook them and eat it. You have to skin them. I don't know that. How you get blankets? Oh, jeez.
Tim Gentle is the creator of this VR farming experience. He and his dad have been travelling to schools around the country, hoping to get kids excited about a career in agriculture.
So when it comes to kids, what I'm trying to do is inspire them to take up ag as a career path. So, we have to make it look exciting. And so VR, when they put on their headset, they go into a whole new world, but they actually go into a farmer's world, and that's what I like.
Tim reckons virtual reality has a bigger part in the farming world than you might think. He's been busy working on other projects, including using 360-degree cameras to capture farming equipment so that people can learn to use it, as well as an app that lets cattle buyers see just what they're getting. And he's even built a virtual fairground, where farmers can meet up, have a chat, and pat a pig. As for these guys, it's been a pretty exciting trip. And even if they don't decide to become farmers later on, they now understand a bit more about just where their food comes from.